Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up Verizon eSIM on iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is fully charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network because eSIM activation will not work properly on weak or mobile data connections. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Cellular or Mobile Data depending on your device language and iOS version. Now tap Set up Cellular or Add eSIM, then tap Continue to begin the activation process. Your iPhone will now try to automatically download and install the Verizon eSIM profile. On iPhone 12 and newer models, this usually happens without needing a QR code. Wait a few seconds while the device contacts Verizon servers and completes activation. Keep your phone unlocked during this process. If you are transferring from a physical SIM or another eSIM, your phone may show a screen asking you to label your plans. Now select labels like primary, secondary, personal, or business to help you identify each line easily, then tap Done. After that, choose your default voice line. This is the number your iPhone will use for calls and messages by default. Next, select the line you want to use for iMessage and FaceTime so your Apple services stay linked correctly. Then choose your default mobile data line, which controls which SIM is used for internet, apps, and browsing. You may also see the option Allow Cellular Data Switching. Turn this on if you want your iPhone to automatically switch between Verizon and other available lines when signal is weak. If automatic activation does not work, you may be asked to scan a QR code provided by Verizon or manually enter activation details. In that case, make sure your camera has permission enabled. Once activation is complete, you will see Verizon signal bars appear at the top of your screen, confirming the eSIM is active. Now restart your iPhone once to ensure all network settings are properly applied. Finally, test your connection by making a call, sending a message, and browsing the internet to confirm everything is working smoothly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.